Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change story background color behind a photo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to change story background color behind a photo, simply tap open your Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram app, simply go to the story section. Now from your gallery, simply add any photo. Now, once you have added the photo, you can see the three dots. Simply tap on the draw option, and once you have done this, you can simply find the pen option right over there. Simply choose it and simply scroll through the background and tap on any color you want to choose. Now simply press hold anywhere on the screen until the background fills with the same color. Now you can simply do it and simply do the tick button, and now you can simply add stickers and like add a photo right here. So you can simply scroll down and add a photo this way. So this is how you can simply. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.